everyone, this is NelsonJM again. So assuming you have registered your school and everything is going well, you are now on the dashboard, you have pulled your data from online and things like that. The next thing is you are either trying to add or edit candidates. Remember, a candidate that has been uploaded cannot be edited, so only thing you can do is to edit a candidate that has not been uploaded. Now there are two CASS that you are supposed to do, the CASS 1 and the CASS 2. For CASS 1 students, you need to enter their biodata, and this is our biodata form. As of today, being the 5th of February, the biodata form contains civic as a compulsory subject, English language and general mathematics. These are compulsory subjects you must add to students. Trade course is not compulsory, so you can decide to choose any subject to cover up your 8 or 9 subject requirement. So we have the surname, we have the first name, we have the other name, we have the entry year, we have the gender, we have the date of birth, we have the parents and or guardians phone number, then parents or guardians email, then we have the program the student is offering. You can either be in business, humanity or science. When you select any of these categories, it loads the subjects that are dependent on that. If you load the humanities, it loads humanity. If you look for sciences, it brings up the subjects that are related to science. Remember, the image must be 275 by 314 and the maximum size of 15 kilobyte, and it stops at around 15.9 kilobyte. As soon as you climb up to 16, that image is not valid. So we have already designed a software for conversion of image, and that software will soon be available on our website. We'll keep you posted with that and a lot of things that we have created for you to make your examination very easy. So this is the form, and make sure you fill this form carefully and correctly. By the time you are done with this and there is any mistake on the student's name, you have the edit registration to handle the editing of any missing data on the candidate's information. And on this dashboard you have the student's name, the CASS reference number, the total number of subject, the total number of subject with CASS already captured, and the total number of subjects and the total number of outstanding CASS. So as you can see, I have a lot here. So this is where to edit, and by the time you click on edit, it pulls up the same form that you filled before. If the candidate has not been promoted, you can still edit the name, you can still edit a lot of things, and they will still be updated. So the reason I'm not I'm not clicking on the student's name is because there are sensitive informations that I won't be editing this video. I can't show you sensitive information that will make them flag the video, and I've been having a lot of those type of issues. I don't have time to edit for now. That is why I want to walk you through this. After you have edited your student's name and everything is okay, you can now proceed to enter their continuous assessment. And their continuous assessment you can enter by subject basis, where you select the name. You can select and enter their CA by subject, and this option will from the database bring in all the information related to the students that are registered on that very subject. So this issues are things you need to be careful about and also pay attention to as you go on with your day-to-day activities on the WAEC CASS registration. Any error after this, you are supposed to print a report. If you come to report, select the year. There are a lot of report types you can pull up, but I'll just show you the album because I want these ones have sensitive students information. These reports are the reports you are going to download. The photo, the album, the list of students, the list of students with subject, the list of students, the names of students with the subject and the score assigned to each subject per year you selected over here. So after the report is to close this. The report is usually to help you make any uncertain correction before you upload. After this, the next thing is to upload. You can upload by exporting. To use it to upload on the browser, you can export by uploading directly online. You need to register on the waecinternational.org/CASS portal for you to have a username and password, which is your email and the password you have created. Then you also need the school CASS pin for you to upload the students in any of these options. So if, for instance, the school have a missing subject, you can use this add CASS for all students option to add a subject to all your students. Or if there's a subject before you upload, if there's a subject you mistakenly entered, you can remove it from all students. There are certain subjects that sneak into the registration. You can just come here and see the list of subjects that have appeared on your registration, and then you can remove that particular subject for the student. So if there's any question about CASS in regard to this offline application, please do well to comment on this video. You always have the freedom to contact us on WhatsApp, and I think we have handled a lot of requests on the WhatsApp and also on our Facebook. Thank you all for your views. We have finally been monetized on the Facebook platform, and any of you that have not subscribed to the Facebook channel Nelsonic NG, Nelsonic Services Limited, if you search that on Facebook, you would be able to follow us on the Facebook, and we provide you with a lot of tech-based content, and you would love it. We would help you solve issues in regard to networking and also programming and things like that. All those tutorials are coming up if you are interested. So see you in the next episode, and thank you for watching.